Tara na at lakbayin natin ang buong Pilipinas. The 17 region of the Philippines and the 17 provincial capital. Region 1, Ilocos Region, Ilocos Norte, Ilocos Sur, La Union, Pangasinan, Region 2, Cagayan Valley, Batanes, Cagayan, Nueva Vizcaya, Isabela, Quirino, Region 3, Central Luzon, Aurora, Bulacan, Bataan, Tarlac, Pampanga, Zambales, Nueva Ecija, National Capital Region or NCR, Manila City, Quezon City, Caloocan City, Las Piñas City, Makati City, Malabon City, Marikina City, Muntinlupa City, Mandaluyong City, Navotas City, Pasay City, Parañaque City, Pasig City, Pateros, San Juan City, Valenzuela City, Taguig City. Region 4A, Calabarzon, Cavite, Laguna, Batangas, Rizal, Quezon. Region 4B, Mimaropa, Occidental Mindoro, Oriental Mindoro, Manroque, Palawan, Romblon. Region 5, Bicol Region, Albay, Camarines Norte, Camarines Sur, Catanduanes, Sorsogon, Masbate. Region 6, Aklan. Region 6, Western Visayas, Aklan, Antique, Guimaras, Iloilo, Negros Occidental. Region 7, Bohol, Cebu, Negros Oriental, Siquijor. Region 8, Western Visayas, Bilinan, Leyte, Eastern Samar, Northern Samar, Samar, Southern Leyte. Region 9, Zamboanga Peninsula, Zamboanga del Norte, Zamboanga del Sur, Zamboanga Sibugay. Region 10, Northern Mindanao, Bukidnon, Camiguin, Misamis Occidental, Misamis Oriental. Region 11, Davao Region, Davao de Oro, Davao del Norte, Davao del Sur, Davao Occidental, Davao Oriental. Region 12, Suxurgen, Cotabato, Southern Cotabato, Sultan Kudarat, Sarangani. Region 13, Caraga, Agusan del Norte, Agusan del Sur, Dinagat Islands, Surigao del Norte, Surigao del Sur, CAR or Cordillera Automotive, Abra, Apayao, Benguet, Ifugao, Kalinga Mountain Province, BARM or Bangsamoro Autonomous Region of Muslim Mindanao, Basilan, Lanao del Sur, Banguindanao del Norte, Sulu, Tawi-Tawi. Region 1, the provincial capital, Lawag City, Vigan City, San Fernando City, Lingayen, Basco, Tugigaraw City, Bayumbong, Ilagan City, Cabarugis, Baler, Balanga City, Tarlac City, San Fernando City, Iba, Palayan, Manila City, Capital Region, Imo City, Santa Cruz, Batangas City, Antipolo City, Lucena City, Mamburao, Calapan City, Puerto Princesa City, Romblon, Legazpi City, Dait, Pili, Verac, Sorsogon City, Calibo, San Jose, Rojas City, Jordan, Iloilo City, Bacolod City, Tagbilaran City, Cebu City, Dumaguete City, Siquijor, Naval, Tacloban City, Burungan City, Catarman, Catbalogan City, Maasin City, Dipolog City, Pagadian City, Ipil. Malaybalay City, Mambahaw, Tubod, Oroqueta City, Cagayan de Oro City. Nabunturan, Tagum City, Digo City. Malita, Mati City. Kidapawan City, Coronadal City, Insolan, Alabel. Kabadbaran, Prosperidad, San Jose, Surigao City, Tandag. Baged, Cabugao, La Trinidad, Lagawi, Tabuk, Lamitan City, Datu Udin, Sinswat. Buluan, Hulu, Bungaw.